Welcome again to Cebu Electrical and Instrumentation Control System Online Training. If you are new on my page, just kindly follow, like, and share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, I always attach the link on my Facebook page. So right now, I'm gonna discuss about the international um, standard installation of the pressure transmitter. Right here, I prepared um, installation detail in AutoCAD 3D, and all the materials which involved with the transmitter installation I already mentioned here. Like, this is the stainless tube, and this is the process line. This is the process. This is the extension. The extension meaning this is the support of the transmitter. Any transmitter, if you're gonna install any transmitter, you need to install a support, and then you install the transmitter on the extension. This is the pressure transmitter. This is manifold valve, and this is now I will tell you what is the standard installation of the pressure transmitter. The pressure transmitter height installation, it should be on 1.5 meter, exactly 1.5 meter, because that is convenient for the human height, no, for during maintenance of the transmitter. That's why, as human height, for convenient of maintenance of the transmitter, the height, it should be 1.5 meter. And also the installation of the transmitter itself. If the process line is gas, the transmitter, it should be installed above the uh, process line, because the evaporation of the gas, it should be sensed by the diaphragm of the transmitter, and then the pressure from the process line, it will be converted by transmitter into milliamps and sending to the DCS. And then if the liquid of the process, the transmitter, it should be installed below the tapping point, below the process line, because the liquid, there is a gravity. So the liquid gravity, it should be since also the diaphragm of the transmitter, and then it will be converted into milliamps and sending to the DCS. And right now, like, this is the installation detail. So this information is for the people who working on construction. This is your preference, how to install as per the international standard, or if any instrumentation device, how to install. You have to look what is the kind of the process, gas or liquid, and then the height, it should be maintained on 1.5. Like, for example, like this one, you cannot adjust this one because it's already fixed the extension. If this one, we don't know what is the height of this, what is the height of the process line. So any industrial plant, any oil and gas plant, there should be a platform. Like for example, this process line is gas. This extension, it should be installed on the platform above of the process line. If the liquid of the process line, this extension, it should be installed on the platform below the process line. That is the preference also when you are install the transmitter with the extension. All the extension, it should be installed on the platform in any oil and gas, depending on the kind of the process line. So now this drawing I prepared in AutoCAD 3D. Then now I gonna show you what is the orientation installation between transmitter and stainless tube to the process line. I will make orbit. This is the orientation of the transmitter. You can see the transmitter installation. This is the manifold valve attached to the extension. This is the transmitter. This is the transmitter, pressure transmitter device. Here at the front of the transmitter, this is the display. This, you can see the display, what is the current pressure taken from the process line. And this is the key pull, which is connected from the transmitter to the DCS. And here this should be cable clamp. And here this is the manifold valve. As you can see, the manifold valve, this is isolation valve. This both is isolation valve. As per the international standard manifold valve of the transmitter, if you consider as a coding, there should be a coding, red and blue. Red meaning this is for the isolation valve of the drain. The purpose of this drain, Like for example, you have maintenance or servicing of this transmitter. You gonna isolate this one. This is isolation. This is for the process line isolation. From here, the process is taken from the tapping point is goes to the manifold valve here. So if you have maintenance or servicing of the transmitter, you gonna isolate this transmitter, this isolation valve, and then sometime when you already installed, no, isolate this isolation valve, there is still trap pressure inside that diaphragm of the transmitter. So if to drain the trap pressure inside the diaphragm of the transmitter, you gonna open this valve. Then the liquid is going down. This is the drain. This is the drain pipe. Okay, this is the full explanation, orientation, in international installation of the pressure transmitter. Now, I will convert this drawing. I will convert this 3D drawing to the original drawing. What is the orientation? You can see what is the orientation on the on the drawing. This is the drawing. If you are working on construction or quality control inspector, you can see this drawing. This is the reference of the uh, international standard installation of any instrumentation equipment. You can see here this is the process line, stainless tube, pressure transmitter, manifold valve. This is the height, 1.5 meter, extension. And this is designed by Cebu Electrical and Control System online training. Thank you very much for your watching.